Hello guys, welcome back to another video of FFMAX. So today I'm gonna show you how to do lobby recording inside FFMAX. So first of all you need to log in your FFMAX account. Then you need to go to settings on top right corner, click on the settings, then go to recording menu. Then you will see here lobby. Just you need to turn on the lobby button on. Then you will see here my video section. Click on that. So here you will see all of your videos of Free Fire Max. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and bye.